the state's argument was essentially this. Whatever you think of the current law is that the state executes certain first-degree murderers, and we do it with lethal injection. A regulatory board, in this case the North Carolina Medical Board, which is empowered by the state to issue and police medical licensure, that board cannot be allowed to overturn the policy decision of the legislature and the other branches of state government. And that's what was happening here. North Carolina, in effect, had a moratorium on the death penalty because of the ruling of an unelected medical licensure board. And
so what happens now? I mean, we have the ruling, but still executions are not going forward.
Well, there's still a cloud over this as to whether this is going to be appealed and who's going to appeal it, and will the medical board comply? I mean, it's a very convoluted kind of a situation. Bottom line here is that if you think that it is impossible to uphold medical ethics and also do what I described at an execution, you're entitled to your opinion. But other people, including many doctors, believe that it is entirely consistent. And so a medical board has no authority to simply enshrine in law or regulation what the majority of its members happen to believe politically. Mm-hmm. They have to go with a careful analysis of law. What the judge said was, this is not, an execution is not a medical event. It's not a medical event. Of course it's not a medical event. The outcome of a medical event is presumably to save a life or alleviate pain. The purpose of an execution is to end a life.